Have you ever dreamed of driving a Lamborghini? The roar of the engine, the sleek lines, the feeling of success. It's a common dream. But what if I told you that dream is never going to happen? Not for you, at least. I'm not trying to scare you or to make you feel bad. I was in the same position as you are. It's not about how hard you work. It's not about putting in those long hours, working overtime, or hitting every target that your boss sets for you. You see, if you work really hard, that means doing all the overtime, making sure you're always ahead of your target, then yes, your boss will be able to buy the latest model of that Lamborghini next year. But here's the harsh truth. Your boss is the one getting the rewards. That Lamborghini, it's for them, not you. You're caught in a cycle. You work harder and harder, pushing yourself to meet those goals. But no matter how much effort you put in, you'll always be helping someone else buy their dream car. The Lamborghini, it's not in your future. You know, the real secret to owning something like a Lamborghini isn't just working hard at your 9 to 5. It's about being in the right position to enjoy the fruits of your labor. It's about having ownership. The Lamborghini isn't just for the person working overtime. It's for the ones who understand how to leverage their work to create their own wealth, their own opportunities. If you're stuck in the hamster wheel of working for someone else, no matter how many hours you clock in, your boss will always be the one driving that Lamborghini, not you. So here's the reality. You might be thinking, if I just put in one more hour, one more project, I'll get closer to that dream. But in reality, the road to owning a Lamborghini isn't about working more for someone else. It's about building something that works for you. This is why you'll never own a Lamborghini if you just keep grinding away for your boss. To own a Lamborghini, you need to be the one making the rules. You need to own your time, your work, and your success. It's time to stop dreaming about working harder to make someone else rich. It's time to start thinking bigger. Instead of wishing for that car, think about what it takes to make that car part of your life. Build your own empire and let that Lamborghini be just one of many rewards that come with it. So, while you may never own that Lamborghini by working harder for someone else, you could own it one day by building the life you deserve. Now that's a dream worth chasing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and start working on your future today. You've got this.